Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you very short video. So guys can see the item. I have 2 egg here and have salt and pepper. So I want to make fried egg, very simple, to use it and eat bread. So you are a kind of person that cannot eat without pepper and you want fried egg. The only thing you do, you put your pepper, your dry pepper and salt and your egg. I will show you how to make it, very simple. Then you make your fried egg with dry pepper and salt only. So let me show you how to prepare fried egg with dry pepper. Very simple. It's not a hard something at all. So keep watching. So guys can see I've already put the oil on the fire. The only thing to do now to break the egg. So keep watching. So the only thing, see the egg, you break it. And see. Do the second one again. You break it. Don't allow the yolk to break. Then you put the salt. Then this is the dry pepper. Then you add it like this. And see. Don't mind the oil, whether the oil will get it for the pepper or not. You just fry it the way you like it. You reduce the light so that the egg will not burn. So guys can see it's done. I'm now off the light and pack it from fire. Very simple menu. Wow. So guys can see the fried egg with dry pepper and salt. Very simple. So you can make it for breakfast or any time to eat. So if you are eating egg and you want to eat fried egg and with pepper and you don't know what to do, you can see how I show you. You can also use fresh pepper like that. Put your egg for fire, sprinkle the pepper on it and salt and fry it. That is all. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to your loved one. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.